Hello, it's Mike from the fxpivotpoint.com. Taking a look at today's action, our long-term approach. All right, this is a Euro USD on the weekly, and we can see we've been talking about this for a while. This rounding bottom, and it wasn't so round, but it's holding up. As you can see here, these little you can see right here today. After a nice push down, the bulls are still holding up. They do not want this 61.8 to give because they know what that means. Whoop, boop, 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 boop. All right, so they're really putting up a fight. Now let me show you something that's really unique. Well, not unique, but it's really cool. If we start moving, we pull the time frame out. Let me get out of this. And now we're going to move down from. Let's take a look at this. Oh, wow, huh? Remember we talked about the 61.8 and why it was important, and now we're at the 61.8, and where's my little tool? He went away, so let's go find him. Oh, where is he? Look at this. The 50. We've got a little war going back and forth, don't we? Look. So we've been bouncing between the 50 and the 61.8 of this longer time frame down move for some time now. And you can see it looks like we've got an even 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, an even count. So where do we go? Are we going to bounce up here to 38 again, or are we going to come here? I mean, who knows? I'm glad I'm a day trader. But when you pull it out and look at this, isn't it amazing how many times it touches these particular levels? Now both of these levels have. There's the 3800. That's a psych level. And we are really close to the 3500 for the 61.8, which is in our psych level. So we've, and then there are other things at play too that we won't look into because we really want to focus on fibs and pivots. So I really want to concentrate on those. But there are some other things at play. But as you can see, the fib on the long term is just unbelievably accurate here. And then we talked about they're really, the bulls are doing everything they can to hold that 61.8, and so far they're holding it. We can see, and it's funny, we talked about that rounding bottom, haven't we? Look at that damn thing. That thing, our rounding bottom, is still a rounding bottom. It's still in play. We come down here like this. I gotta be quite honest, I'm tired of talking about it. But right now it's still there. And the bounce, we definitely could be seeing some northern action. I mean, who knows? But isn't it interesting to see how how it all plays out, and what levels and how important they are and how it works. Alright, well, that's great. Let's see what else we've got going. Look at the pound on the hour. Look where we are. It's made a bounce up, a nice bounce here, and I would say we still have enough room and we still have enough energy. That's not the thing I wanted to. That's my screen recording tool, my screen recorder. That's not what I wanted to show you. I wanted to open up my little VB doodle tool again. Alright. Alright, well, what the hell are Oh, he's a little pain in the ass, but he's a nice tool for free. Alright, so we've got our move here, our big down move, and we found a bottom, and now we find it easy to draw our fibs. And you can see what happens. It bounced, and look where we are, right at the 38. So you can bet there is going to be some serious resistance here for this move back down. However, on the pound, they really like to push before it turns over. So I would not, it would be almost better to see, if you're, especially if you're a longer term trader, to take a short somewhere in here, because we would have this. We'd have a whole bunch of things in play. First, you'd have this almost perfect head and shoulders. Matter of fact, if it got to the 61 or 8 or anywhere around this zone, it would be absolutely perfect before it fell back down. We also have this level here acting as it's going to act as resistance along with the 61.8. Alright, so I guess that's what I was just showing you. Head and shoulders here has some additional weight other than it just being a head and shoulders. It has a 61.8 of this move, and remember, if we move above here, it's likely to hit the full retrace in the minds of a lot of traders. Don't see that happening. So if you're a long-term trader, you know, and it pulls here tonight, it might be a nice shorting opportunity. If you're a day trader, I'd wait till this little thing plays out, because they're definitely trying to push it. They love to hunt those stops. Oh wait, stop hitting doesn't exist. What do we have else? Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Might be a nice short here. We've got a little trend line. We've got the dollar. Look where it stopped here today. Oh, where's my little tool? There he is. Bring him back up. Look, it came down through here. It pulled back up hard off of S3. Look where it finds some resistance. Look where it finds support. Alright, and look here. The market's thinking, do I bust up a little higher, or do we send it back down? Oh, look at this. Oh, look where it spends a lot of the day. Look at all those actions that happen at one time. Love pivot point trading. You guys really need to have pivots on your chart. It is one of the best tools the retail trader can have in their arsenal, and you can see how it works with Fib. So well, that's about it. We won't take a look at the, you can see we're at this little intraday trend line here before it falls back down to the pivot, and I'm betting it will today. But we're not going to concentrate on that now, and this video is long enough, so we will see you guys later. Have a good day.